Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. Today, we're going to address a common issue that many TikTok users face: the problem of photos not swiping properly on the platform. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to get your TikTok photos swiping smoothly again. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check for app updates. First thing you'll want to do is check if your TikTok app is up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes lead to glitches. Here's how you can do it. Open your App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. Search for TikTok. If an update is available, hit the Update button. Step 2. Clear cache. If the issue persists, it's a good idea to clear the app's cache. This can help resolve any temporary data conflicts. Let me show you how. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down and find Apps or Application Manager. The name may vary depending on your device. Locate and select TikTok from the list of installed apps. Tap on Storage and then Clear Cache. Step 3. Open TikTok app. Go back to home screen and open TikTok app. Look for the plus icon in the bottom menu. Tap on it. Step 4. Select Photos. After tapping plus icon, tap on Upload in the bottom right in the screen. And tick mark select multiple, start selecting photos. And tap on Next. Step 5. Choose Music. Choose your soundtrack from the list of track that TikTok has provided. Select your soundtrack. Step 6. Confirm. After review everything, tap on Next to post your photos. Conclusion. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix the TikTok photo swipe not working issue. Remember, technology can be a bit finicky sometimes, but with a little troubleshooting, we can usually get things back on track. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy TikToking.